That blinking red light on your AT&T router? It's usually a sign that your router can't connect to the internet. Think of it like a distress signal. It typically means there's a problem with the connection between your router and AT&T's network or a hardware fault. This often indicates a loss of the downstream internet signal. While it can be frustrating, it's often fixable with a few simple steps. A solid red light often points to a hardware problem, like a faulty power supply. A blinking red light, which we're focusing on, usually signals a service outage, damaged cables, or problems upstream with the modem or optical network terminal, ONT. On models like the BGW210, a blinking red light specifically indicates no downstream signal from the ONT. Understanding this distinction helps narrow down the problem. Before you call AT&T, try these basic fixes. First, power cycle your router. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This is surprisingly effective. Next, check all the cables connected to your router and the wall. Make sure they're securely plugged in. For fiber connections, check the Ethernet cable from the ONT. These simple checks resolve a lot of blinking red light issues. If power cycling and cable checks don't resolve the issue, try performing a router reset using the pinhole button located on the back or side of your router. Use a paper clip to press and hold the pinhole button for about 15 seconds, then release it. This action resets the router to its default settings. Additionally, check AT&T's website or mobile app for any reported service outages in your area. This can help determine if there's a known issue affecting your connection that AT&T is actively working to resolve. For more tech-savvy users, you can access your router's logs by typing its IP address, usually 192.168.1.254, into your web browser. The default username and password are often admin and admin or printed on the router itself. Look for error codes like USDS sync failure, which indicate a problem with the upstream or downstream signal. These logs can provide valuable clues for diagnosing the issue. The blinking red light on your AT&T router can be triggered by several common factors. Let's explore the main causes that lead to this frustrating issue. Power surges are a common culprit. When lightning strikes nearby or electrical surges occur, they can damage the router's internal components. This often results in the blinking red light. Always use surge protectors and ensure proper grounding to prevent this. Firmware glitches occur when the router's software becomes outdated or corrupted. This can disrupt the connection, triggering the blinking red light. AT&T frequently releases updates to fix these issues, so check for firmware updates regularly. ISP outages happen when AT&T's network experiences problems, such as during storms or maintenance. This results in no internet signal reaching your router, causing the red light to blink. Check AT&T's status page during outages. IP address conflicts occur when multiple devices on your network try to use the same IP address. This confusion prevents proper communication, leading to the blinking red light. Restarting your router usually resolves this by reassigning addresses. DNS server failures happen when the system that translates website names to IP addresses stops working. This can cause your router to lose internet access, resulting in the blinking red light. Switching to public DNS servers like Google's can often fix this. Sometimes the issue is simply outdated equipment. Older routers may not handle current internet speeds or security standards, causing them to fail and blink the red light. Consider upgrading to a newer AT&T-compatible router for better reliability. The future of routers involves smarter, self-healing technology that automatically recovers from common issues like blinking red lights. AT&T's Smart Home Gateway is a step in this direction, featuring auto recovery that has reduced blinking light issues by 25% among early adopters. It uses built-in diagnostics to fix problems without user intervention. Expect to see more AI-powered diagnostics that proactively identify and fix issues before they cause problems. These systems will alert users through apps before lights start blinking, preventing downtime. Mesh Wi-Fi systems are becoming more common, distributing connectivity across multiple nodes to reduce single points of failure. AT&T's whole home Wi-Fi exemplifies this technology. The ultimate goal is to minimize downtime and eliminate those frustrating blinking red lights through predictive maintenance and machine learning, expected in 60% of routers by 2028. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the blinking red light persists, it's time to contact AT&T support. They can run remote diagnostics, check for issues on their end, and potentially schedule a technician visit. Have your account information and router model number ready when you call. Remember, patience is key. Providing clear information will help them resolve the problem more efficiently.